Did you know that as many as 9 out of every 10 people in the world are deficient in one or more vitamins or minerals? That's why so many people get trapped in an endless cycle of sickness and disease, never fully able to maximize their body's full potential. But filling those nutritional gaps and taking the first step to maximize your health is easier than you may think. Introducing the most complete nutritional supplement ever created that everyone should be taking every single day. Live Good Organic Supergreens. Formulated with the world's most powerful superfoods, including spirulina, recognized as the most nutrient-dense food on the planet, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, along with helping to manage cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and even improve muscle strength. Ashwagandha, scientifically recognized to help relieve stress and anxiety, lower blood sugar, improve sexual function in women, boost fertility and testosterone levels in men, help improve restful sleep, and support brain health and memory. Probiotics, to support a healthy gut and digestive system. Chlorella, for its antibacterial, antivirus, and anti-tumor properties. Alfalfa, to help lower cholesterol, help manage blood sugar, and even help relieve symptoms of menopause. Aloe vera, for its anti-aging properties, skin health, and facilitating metabolism and healthy bowel function. Moringa, to fight inflammation and protect the liver. Matcha green tea, for weight management. Dulse, for bone strength, eyesight support, and thyroid health. Dandelion leaf, for digestion. Wheatgrass juice, for inflammation and colon health. And so much more. Just mix 1 scoop a day with a glass of water for a delicious way to protect the most important thing in your life, your health. All in one USDA certified organic delicious blend that is like a safety net for your health. And with Live Good's exclusive direct-to-consumer model, you can get the highest quality supergreens on the planet at a price of less than half of similar products on the market. And if all that wasn't exciting enough, all highest quality Live Good products come with a full 90-day money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love organic supergreens, just send back the empty bottle and we'll give you your money back. Order yours today and take the first step to maximizing your health. Live Good Organic Supergreens.